Find definition from structural clues. There will be a number of vocabulary questions. To answer a vocabulary question, it is of course helpful if you know the meaning of the word is being tested. However, it is not always necessary for you to know the meaning of the word. Often, there are skills that you can use to help you to find the correct answer to the question. Number 1. Finding definition from structural clues. Number 2. Determining meanings from word parts. And the last one, using context clues to determine meaning.
Hello everybody, I will explain about find definition from structural clues. Step 1. We will study how to identify the question. What is the meaning of egg in line Y? The word egg line Y is close in meaning to blah blah blah. The word eggs in line Y could be replaced by blah blah blah. Step 3. We will study to find the answer information to help you determine what something means will currently be found after the function clue, the restatement clue, or the example clue. How to answer the question number 1? Number 1. Find the word in the patient. Number 2. Locate any structural clues. Number 3. Read the part of the patient after the structural clue carefully. And number 4. Eliminate and definitely wrong answer and choose that best answer from the meaning choice.
One of the leading schools of psychology through in the 20th century is reinforcing the belief that the role of psychology is to the before which is observable rather than conscious or unconscious truth which is not probably the best known proponent of before is B.F. Skinner, who is famous for his research on how positive and negative reinforcement should have praise, food or money were more effective in promoting good behavior than negative reinforcement or punishment. The question is reinforcement in line to psychologist in concern with E. Conscious through partners, B. Unconscious through partners, C. Observable action, D. Unobservable action.
Determine meaning from word part. When you ask to determine the meaning of a long word that you don't know in the reading session, it is sometimes possible to determine the meaning of the word by studying of the part. So, if the reading does not have punctuation that state the definition of a word, you can also ask the meaning of a word that certain part of the word.
Okay, in this skill 9, determine meaning from word parts. A short list of word parts. Contra, meaning against. Example, contrast. Mal, bad, malcontent. Miss, error, mistake. Sub, under, subway. Date, 10, decode. Multi, many, multiple. Soul, 1, solo. Try, tier, triple. Dict, sigh, dictate. Domain, master, dominant. judge, judge, judgment, more, depth, mortal, speech, sea, spectator, there, earth, territory, where, turn, divert, fifth, life, revive.
Okay, I will explain to you about use context to determine meaning of difficult word. On bad paper TOEFL test, you may be asked to determine the meaning of a difficult word in a reading passage, a word that you are not expected to know. In this case, the passage will probably give a clear indication of what the word means. Look at a multiple choice sample from the paper TOEFL test where the context help you to understand the meaning of an unknown word. Well, the next will be discussed by my friend.
How to identify the question on both paper and computer tests. What is the meaning of X in line Y? The word X in line Y is closest its meaning to blah blah blah. On computer tests only, look at the word X in paragraph Y. Click on another word that is close in meaning to X. Click on the word in paragraph Y that is closest in meaning to X. Where to find the answer? Information to help you understand the meaning of an unknown word can often be found in the context surrounding the unknown word. How to answer the question? First, find the word in the passage. Second, read the sentence that contain the word carefully. Third, look for context clues to help you understand the meaning. Last, choose the answer that the context indicates.
Skill 11. Use context to determine meaning of simple words. You'll be asked to determine meaning of a simple word in a reading passage, a word that you see often in everyday English. In this type of question, you should not give the normal, everyday meaning of the word. Instead, a secondary meaning of the word is being tested. So you must determine the meaning of the word in this situation.
Use context to determine meaning of simple word. Vocabulary question containing simple word. How to identify the question. What is the meaning of X in line Y? The word X in line Y could be to replace by. What is the meaning? Which of the following is closest in meaning to the word is a simple word? One that you see often in everyday English. Information to help you understand the secondary meaning of simple words can often be found in the context surrounding the word. Where to find the answer? The question usually tells you in which line of the passage the words can be found. How to answer the question? 1. Find the word in the passage. 2. Read the sentence that contains the words carefully.